And here we have Ford Jetec engines oil pump, and when we compare that one to this BMW's cars, this oil pump, this is only like half of this BMW's oil pump, and this comes from really 2-liter gasoline engine from BMW, and this comes from 1.8-liter Ford engine's oil pump. And this is the shaft, and inside in there are propellers, and when those blades moves, oil goes always in here inside, and then there is also second road away, and it is in here. In that way oil goes away. And always, most cars, we have this oil hose, and this one belongs in here, that way, and this is like area where oil intakes to this oil pump, and this area is normally always in oil sump, and this is really from Ford, this part. But now we are looking this BMW's this oil pump, and in BMW there is this oil intake hose. It looks like that, and it really belongs in here in that way, and there is this area where is intake. Now I have to take this filter away that we can see that in what way this oil goes, and in this area oils intakes, and there is this flow, very good flow when this engine is running. This is really a shaft where is chain to this timing chain area. This speed is same like timing chain or timing belt, and when this rotates in that way, oil goes inside in this inside place, and then after that oil goes through that hole to inside in car engine or truck or SUV engine, and there is high pressure in here, and soon we can see that how this oil really goes away. And if we have this issue that we have low oil pressure, we have to replace this oil pump, because these inside parts, they burn out when we have bad oil and we have too long times between those oil changes. And like in that my oil pump, the previous owner, he drive with this car and this engine oil about 20,000 miles. It is about 30,000 kilometers, and now this BMW's this oil pump is bad and weak. But we can replace these, and BMW service centers, they sell new parts, and we can also find good part in aftermarket, like used part also.